Okay, this question said a 1 liter flask contains 2 gases at a total pressure of 3 atmospheres. If the partial pressure of one of the gases is 0.5 atmosphere, then the partial pressure of the other gas must be. So when I read this question, I'm reading the words partial pressure, I'm reading total pressure. So I know that this is probably a Dalton's law problem. And you have to remember, the only tricky part about Dalton's law is you have to write down the correct number of gases that you have in the mixture. So when I read the question, it says 2 gases. So that means when I write my formula out, PT equals, I'm only going to put pressure 1 plus pressure 2. Okay, so step 1 is rearranging your formula. For Dalton's law problems, you have to write down the formula according to how many gases you have. So it says that one of the gases is 0.5 atmospheres, and then the total pressure is 3, and the partial pressure of the other gas must be. So that means I'm calculating one of the partial pressures. So I have to rearrange my formula in order to isolate P2, the other partial pressure. To do that, I do simple algebra. I move P1 over to the other side through subtraction. So that can cancel out P1. Okay, so let me clean this up a little bit for you so that it makes better sense. After I isolated P2, my new formula is PT minus P1 is going to give me my P2. Okay, so my total pressure from the question was 3 atmospheres. My second partial pressure was 0.5. And that's going to equal P2. 3 minus 0.5 equals 2.5 atmospheres. Okay, so my second partial pressure has to be 2.5 atmospheres.